When organizations in a multi-organization enterprise share data, it can be difficult to keep track of who accesses and manipulates data in each organization. To enable you to secure each organization's data, the multi-org model enables you to implement different types of access controls. The multi-org model supports three main data security methods. Users are assigned specific responsibilities in a multi-org model. A responsibility is a level of authority that determines which data a user can access and the actions the user can perform on the data. Within an application, a responsibility may restrict the windows to which users can navigate and the functions they can use. A responsibility also determines the set of books that users can access. Each responsibility is associated with only one operating unit entity, and it enables a user to access and manipulate data only for that entity. If a user has the cache management responsibility for the Vision Operations operating unit, for example, the user can access relevant data only in the Vision Operations unit. Oracle applications are partitioned by different multi-org entities. Only users authorized to access a particular entity have access to the applications partitioned by the entity. This separates and secures each entity. In the multi-org model, examples of entities and the applications they partition include the business group entity, which partitions the human resources application, the set of books entity, which partitions the general ledger and fixed assets application, the operating unit entity, which partitions cash management and accounts receivable, the inventory organization entity, which partitions manufacturing, only users who have access to the set of books entity for your organization, for example, can access the data in the general ledger application. A user authorized to access your organization's inventory organization entity, but not its set of books entity, can access manufacturing applications, but not the general ledger. To prevent users and applications from receiving incorrect information, it's important to protect and maintain the integrity of the data that operating units share. For this reason, the multi-org model stores the data that each operating unit shares with other units in a separate unpartitioned table called a global registry for each unit. This system provides redundancy. If a mistake is made in one operating unit, it won't affect the integrity of the data in other units. Suppose you have two operating unit entities, A and B, that share a supplier. The information that operating unit A has for the supplier is contained in its global registry and has no effect on the supplier information that operating unit B has stored in its global registry. Which methods does the multi-org model use to secure data? Suppose a user has access to the SOB entity, but cannot perform a search for an employee's details using the Human Resources application. Which data security methods prevent the user from accessing the Human Resources application? Multi-org reporting enables you to generate reports across multiple organizations at the set of books, legal entity, and operating unit levels. Benefits of multi-org reporting are that it enables you to generate multiple types of reports across operating units, provides a simple system for securing reports, enables you to generate financial reports across business groups in an enterprise. Features of multi-org reporting include data security profiles, reporting parameters, support for custom reporting. In the multi-org model, you can set the MO, top reporting level profile, to control the level at which a user is authorized to generate reports. The highest reporting level is set of books. The second level is at the legal entity, and the lowest reporting level is at the operating unit. To authorize users to generate reports, you need to first set their profiles at the appropriate level. This protects data security. Multi-org reporting includes two new reporting parameters, reporting level and reporting context. The reporting level parameter enables a user to select the level at which they want to report, set of books, legal entity, or operating unit. However, a user's MO top reporting level profile must allow reporting at the chosen level before the user can generate a report. The reporting context parameter enables a user to select the entity for which to generate a report from within the reporting level. Each Oracle application enables you to generate specific predefined reports. However, you can choose to define and generate custom reports using the Multiple Organizations Reporting Application Program Interface API. At runtime, the multi-org system identifies the operating units for which the custom reports you request must be generated. Some of the reports users can generate at each reporting level include set of books, accounts payable trial balance, and payables accounting entries report. Legal entity, tax audit trail, tax register, and financial tax register. Operating unit, purchase return and discount report, and sales return and discount report. Suppose an enterprise includes a single set of books and a single legal entity and two operating unit entities. The MO top reporting level profile is set to the set of books level. The user's responsibility is set for the first of two operating unit entities, operating unit 1. If the user's MO top reporting level profile is set to the set of books level, the user can generate reports using applications and data available for operating unit 1, the legal entity, and the set of books. The user can, for example, generate a consolidated subledger report for operating Unit 1 that rolls up to the single set of books. Now suppose a user's MO top reporting level profile is set to the legal entity level. If the user's responsibility is for operating Unit 1, the user can report at the operating Unit 1 and legal entity levels, but not at the set of books level. For example, the user may choose to generate a consolidated subledger report for operating Unit 1 that rolls up to the legal entity. For example, the user may choose to generate a consolidated subledger report for operating Unit 1 that rolls up to the legal entity. A user with an MO top reporting level profile set to operating unit and a responsibility associated with operating Unit 2 can generate reports only for operating Unit 2. For example, this user may choose to generate a consolidated subledger report for operating Unit 2. Place the reporting level options in the correct order, from the highest to the lowest level. Suppose a user chooses the set of books reporting level parameter, but fails to generate an accounts payable trial balance report at this level. Which type of setting has prevented the user from generating the report? The multi-org model secures the data that multiple organizations in an enterprise share using responsibilities, partitioning, and global registries. The multi-org model enables users to generate consolidated reports at the set of books, legal entity, and operating unit levels, using data from multiple organizations in an enterprise. Users' MO top reporting level profile option determines the levels at which they can generate reports.